Everyone, a very warm good morning to all of you, and I welcome to everyone with hope you all are safe and sound at home, children. So, children, today once again I am going to make a GK video, and in this video, children, today you all are going to revise two chapter. Yes, there today you all will revise two chapters. Chapter 16, places of worship, and chapter 34, days and months. So let's first I'll talk about the chapter 16. Yes, children. Yes, in places of worship, children, you all know, children, we all worship to God, and God is one, but we have given, yes, we have given different names. Like Hindus call Bhagwan, Hindus call him Bhagwan, Christian call him God. Okay, and the what and Muslim call him Allah, and so on. So, children, the belief that we have in God is our religion. Or and religion that we follow have different names, but that we are different. What different religions pray are the same. All religions have their own religious or holy books. Okay, children, and but always remember there is only one God, and the belief we have in God is our religions. Okay, is our religions. So, children, yes, like Hindu goes to temple for worship. Okay, the temple is the Hindu place of worship. In a temple, people may perform religious rituals, ceremonies, and pray. And their holy book name is the Bhagavad Gita. Hindu holy book name, the name of the holy book is, yes, the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, and also Hindus go to temple, pray. They worship many god and goddess like Lord Rama, Lord Shiva, Lord Ganesha, and goddess Lakshmi. Oh, and what? And the Bhagavad Gita is the what holy book of Hindus. Now mosque, children. Yes, Muslim go to, yes, the Muslim pray in a mosque, MOSQUE, and the Quran is the holy book of, yes, Muslim. The Muslim is the mosque is the Muslim place of worship. The holy book of Muslim is Quran, Quran. Quran. Same, children. In a mosque, people may perform religious ritual ceremonies and offer their prayer. Okay, children. Now, Gurudwara, spelling GURUDWA, Gurudwara. Yes, what do you know also? Sikh, the Gurudwara is the Sikh place of worship. Their holy book name is Guru Granth Sahib, GURU, Guru Granth, 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 SAHIB, Sahib. In a Gurudwara, Sikhs perform also religious ritual ceremonies and offer prayer. And now last one is a church, spelling CHURCH, church. Okay, children. And who goes church? Yes, Christian go to church to pray. They pray to Jesus Christ. The Bible is the holy book of what? Christian. The Bible is the holy book of Christian. In a church, people also may perform religious ritual and ceremonies and offer prayer. So, my dear children, we should respect all the places of worship. We should not fight with each other over religions, and also we should not make fun of the way people of the religious worship. Okay, children. So what you all have understood now. Next chapter is here. Yes, after that I'll talk about the chapter 34, and the name of the chapter, days and months. So already you all are knowing, children, because already I have explained nicely. So what, children? Yes, first I'll talk about the days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day of the week. Yes, we divide the week in two groups, in two parts, that is Monday to Friday, called weekdays. These days called weekdays, and my dear, Friday, Saturday and Sunday called weekend day. Saturday and Sunday are weekend day, W-E-E-K-E-N-D, W-E-E-K-E-N-D, weekend, D-A-Y-S. Saturday and Sunday are weekend day. So Monday is the first working day of the week, children, and Sunday is the last day of the week. A Saturday and Sunday called what? Weekend day. So always remember there are 7 days in a week. Monday is called the first day of the week, and children, Saturday and Sunday are called what? Weekend day. And also Sunday is called what? Day of the sun. Sunday is called the day of the sun, my dear. Now let's talk about the months. Like some questions are related from this chapter. You can see here the how many days are there in a week. You know very well 7 days, which is the first day of the week. Children, you know very well Monday, which is the weekend day. Saturday and Sunday, which day is called the day of the sun? Sunday. So children, hope you all have done in this chapter also. Now months of the year. What do you know about, children? Yes, there are 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Okay, children, January is the first month of the year and December is the last month of year. Okay, children, and also what? February have what? There are 4 months. There are 4 months have 30 days. First, April, June, November, what? September and November. April, June, September, November have what? There are 4 months have 30 days, and 7 months, January, March, May, M-A-Y, July, August, okay, October and December. There are 7 months have 31 days, and also knowing, children, February has the least number of days. So these 2 chapters I have explained. Now children, today you all are going to get some work related to this chapter. So let's see. Yes, you all are going to do the fill in the blanks. Like you can see there is, children, first one is here. You all have to fill the blank space. Dash is the land of many religions. Yes, children, what do you know? Yes, our country, and our country name is India. I-N-D-I-A. India is the land of many religions. And yes, children, and they have we are in India, so what? India is the land of many religions, but God is one, but we have given their what? Different names. But so India is the many religions, but all the religions, they live together. They with peace, they always what? Celebrate their festival together nicely. Okay, children, so India is the land of many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian. These religions, they live together. Okay, children, so India is the land of many religions. Now, Dash has the least number of days. Dash has the least number of days. So what do you know, children? Yes, February, spelling F-E-B-R, F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February. Yes, February has the least number of days. It has 28 or 29 days. So February has the least number of days. So in second number, you all will write here February. Okay, children. Now after that, the Sikhs have dash gurus. What do you know, children? Yes, the Sikhs have what? 10 gurus. 10 gurus. T-E-N, 10 gurus. And also, children, what do you know? 10 gurus, and the first guru was Guru Dev Ji. Guru Dev Ji. And Sikh what? Go to Gurudwara to worship, to pray, children. So the Sikhs have 10 gurus, and what? The first guru was Guru Dev Ji, who started the Sikh religions, and the name of the holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Now fourth number is here, children. Dash and dash. Dash and dash are weekend days. So my dear, you can see here Saturday and Sunday are weekend days. Saturday and Sunday. There you will write Saturday, 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 Saturday and Sunday. There it has written, see, Saturday and Sunday are weekend days. Now a Jain temple is also called Derasar. A Jain temple is also called Derasar. Derasar. Derasar in Gujarat. Okay children, Derasar in Gujarat. Okay, and also Gujarat is also known as the okay, so what a Jain temple is also known as the Gujarat. Now dash is what? Dash is called the day of the sun. So what will you write here? Sunday. Sunday is also what is a weekend day, or it is also called the day of the sun. So Sunday spelling Sunday, 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 Sunday. Now next, dash is the holy book of Muslim. Yes, what is the name of the holy book of Muslims, children? What will you write here? Quran, spelling Quran. Quran is the holy book of Muslim. The Bible is the holy book of Christian. And the Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikhs. Okay children, and Gita, the Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus. Now, so there you will write only Quran, because here is telling Quran is the holy book of Muslim, and they pray in mosques, and the Quran is the holy book of Muslim. Dash is the first month of the year. What do you know? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. How many months in a year, children? There are 12 months in a year. And what? January. Yes, January is the first month of the year. January. January is the first month of the year. Now next one is here. Dash comes 2 days after Sunday. Sunday after. Sunday dash comes 2 days after Sunday. So Sunday after 2 days count Monday, Tuesday. So what will come? Come Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday comes 2 days after Sunday. Okay. Now next one is here. November has dash day. November has dash day. Yes children, you know very well. There are 4 months have. There are 4 months have 30 days. months. 30 days. September, April, June or November. So there is asking November has. So you will write here 30 days. THIRTY. 30 days. November has 30 days. June, September, April have also 30 days. Okay. Next, at the last is dash. Bible is the holy book of, what do you know? Yes, Christians. How Bible is the holy book of Christians. 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 Bible is the holy book of Christian. Quran is the holy book of what? Muslim. Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindu. As same way, Bible is the holy book of Christian, and Christian go to church to pray, my dear. So these were question number 1 to 12. 1 to 12 you all will write down in your copy with beautiful handwriting. So hope today's topic you all have understood very nicely. So my dear children, first you all will read the chapter 16 places of worship and chapter 34 days and months, and then after you all will do these work in your copy. So for today, once again at last I would like to tell you, yes, thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day and bye bye you all.